Alright, it's been about 30 minutes. I had the heater under the hood. Let's see. Yeah. So it's warm under there. And like I said before, it won't start when it's cold, but if you put a heat under the hood, for about 15-20 minutes, she'll crank right up. Watch. And it'll run like this. So I don't think it'd be the fuel pump that's weak. Because I mean, I could drive it around all day like this now. Once it's warm, it's fine. But it's just when it's cold, it gives me a hard time. And I don't understand what the heater does under there that changes anything. So if there's anybody out there that had this problem and knows what it is, let me know. Thanks.